What's up everybody, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you a cool trick to get more clicks from your YouTube videos, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. If you don't know who I am, I'm the Nomad Brad. I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on this channel, so if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so let's talk about this. It's just something that I didn't come up with at all. I just saw other people doing it and I was kind of hesitant to do it. Basically, you have two great opportunities, well, three technically if you include your video, but other than talking about it in the video, you have two great opportunities to get people to click on links below your video. And if you're doing affiliate marketing with YouTube, then that's pretty important, is to actually, how do I get people to actually buy stuff from my YouTube videos? And the answer is these two different places that you have. So, well, the bonus one, the other one is to put it in your video, right? Like you can say the URL, like go to www.mydomain.com/product. But assuming you don't do that, there's two places really. And the first one is the description. And the big thing that started getting me a lot, I'm telling you, like a lot more clicks and a lot more sales and a lot more opt-ins and everything, was just switching over to this exact format. Now, this video, that's a lot of links. I know, I get it. But if somebody clicks on this, they're interested in some of this stuff. And maybe this is kind of distracting to have the same thing over and over. Whatever, I don't care. The point is, formatting the links to look like this with these emojis is just perfect. It just immediately catches the eye. It looks really nice, and it kind of shows them exactly what they're getting and exactly where to go. And if you want to, amp it up a little bit, you can put an individual icon for each thing. So this is just subscribe to my channel, but I use bit.ly links for everything, and old goo.gl as well. But this is what they're getting for this particular link, and here's where to get it. What they're getting, here's where to get it. This one is a YouTube link, linking to another YouTube video. These are some good things. Again, I get that there's like a million links here. That's fine. There's some good things that you can link to below your YouTube channel if you're doing affiliate marketing. Is one, opt-ins, right? So I have an opt-in here. Download the templates, and again, I use bit.ly. It's free. It just shortens the link. And again, the reason that bit.ly is really amazing is this format exactly. If you copy this, which you should do, it will get you more clicks. It will get you more sales and everything. If you use this template for these links and make them look exactly like this, it looks great on mobile. If you scroll down to the description below your video on mobile, this template looks really nice. So that's really important. Like 80 or 90% or whatever of people on YouTube are on mobile. A lot of them don't even know where the description box is. You have to say, like, scroll below the comments. But if you check it out though, this format looks really, really nice on mobile. And with the bit.ly links, it fits on the mobile screen really well. It doesn't, drop down to the next line. So that's why bit.ly is important. And that's why these emojis are important, to draw the eye, to kind of differentiate. So let's talk about some good examples of things to link below your video. One, probably the best for growing your channel, to be honest, is not to link away from the channel. It's actually to link to other YouTube videos. So you can see I'm actually doing that on this video with this one. It's a YouTube u2.be link. And it's just going to another YouTube video that is pretty popular on my channel. So I'm increasing my watch time. That's a long-term play to continue to grow my channel, to grow this video, etc. That's number one good idea, is just a link to other videos so that YouTube will grow your channel faster. Another good idea is the top one that I have is download the templates. It's a link to an opt-in. So this is a way to build your list for free using YouTube. That's amazing. Another good example is if you have products to go, give people an opportunity to buy from you. I heard a quote from Rachel Rofe a little while ago. I bought one of her courses. she's a really great marketer, and she said the amount of money you make online is directly proportional to the number of buy buttons that you have. So the more times people have an opportunity to buy from you, the more money you will make. I have definitely found that to be exactly true. So always good to link to your products as well. Also, another list building thing here. This is another thing that's really good thing to link to under all of your YouTube videos is a link to your free Facebook group. If you have a Facebook group, link to your free Facebook group. That's a really good strategy to start working, you know, to link your channels together so that they can both grow each other. If you use tools consistently and you have a theme, you know, in affiliate marketing, there's a tool called ClickMagick, which is a really great tracking tool. So it's not a bad idea to just put a link below every video to that if you want, or you can just keep it specific to videos about that topic. So I have a link to ClickMagick. In this case, it's specific to this topic. Here's another YouTube video. Always a good idea to link to other YouTube videos, because you might think, well, how's that going to make me money? But in the long run, linking to more YouTube videos and getting them all connected and telling YouTube that you're a good source of watch time is always going to help you win in the end. And also a really good opportunity to, you know, add another link to subscribe to your channel. Always good for your channel as well. And seriously, when I started putting these links to subscribe to my channel below every video, my subscribers like shot up. It was crazy. It's so dumb. You think, well, if they wanted to subscribe, they would have subscribed, but they don't. They won't. They don't. You have to put links. You have to remind them. You have to say, hit subscribe. You might be like, everybody says that. Well, it's because it works. And if you don't say that, they won't subscribe. So put a link. Bare minimum thing you should do below every single video, even if you don't do affiliate marketing, whatever, is put a link to subscribe to your channel. And yeah, so the other place that you're going to be able to get links, you could put some in the description. I haven't really tried that much. I don't know. You know, I think this is better just for SEO stuff. But the other place that's really important is to open up your video. So you put this when you're making the video, right? And then you open up your video in a new window like this. And then I honestly just copy this and go down to the comments, and then you add a comment, like just paste it in there. And again, most of my videos don't have this many links. It'd probably be more like, you know, 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever. It's up to you. That looks really, really nice, right? Like those 4 look really awesome and really nice. Once again, I get that this is excessive, but whatever. So you paste it in there, you click comment, and then what you do is click here, and this would normally, actually I'll just do it. So this is a comment. You know, if you want to, you can add your, you can love yourself, you know, give yourself a thumbs up because you deserve it. And then you click here and click pin. And now every single time anybody checks out the comments of this video, this is going to be at the top. So it's a beautiful list of links. Even if you just put links to other videos on your channel, your subscribe link, just to grow your watch time and subscribers and everything, still a great resource that I wasn't utilizing for a very long time. And these two tricks like made me a lot more money, got me a lot more subscribers, got me a lot more watch time, got me a lot more clicks and leads and everything. So one, copy this template for how to do it. Oh, one more tip for making this a lot easier is, you can see I'm using Chrome. I downloaded this plugin to do emojis. So it was hard to do emojis on a computer. So I got this plugin. Super simple now, very easy. It remembers the ones that you use all the time. So emojis are just part of life now. Deal with it. So yeah, these two tricks can get you a lot more clicks and leads and sales and all that stuff for affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you want to know more about doing affiliate marketing, then check out the videos that are linked at the end of this video, or perhaps above this in a card. And I actually have a training course on how to get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can check the links below this video to pick that up for free if you want. Thanks for watching. I'm the Nomad Brad, and I will see you in the next video.